I'm so glad you're my personal shopper.
I'm your bodyguard.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Day and night, right?
I actually only work the day shift.
Well, then who am I talking to at 3 a.m.?
I think you're confusing me with your Discover card again?
I am?
Yeah, it's their 24/7 customer service. They also protect you from fraud on unauthorized purchases.
Oh, really?
24/7 customer service.
What do you protect me from?
Mostly yourself?
And $0 fraud liability.
Oh, nice. All right. What you just saw was Jennifer College in super fun and for the Discover card. Yup, nailed it. Today, we are diving deep into the card that's crazy popular in the US, especially for newbies like international students. It's the Discover 8 credit card. When you first arrive in the US, the credit system can feel like a maze, right? The big hurdle? How do you get a credit card with zero credit history? Don't stress. The Discover 8 card might just be your ticket. So, in this episode, we are zooming in on the Discover 8 card. Here's what we'll cover. The first, why it's a total game changer for people with no credit history. The second, how does the application process actually work? The third, one of its coolest perks, 5% cash back every quarter. Plus, what's the deal with doubling your cash back in the first year? The fourth, what other sign-up bonuses can you snag? The fifth, can you use this card back in China? Welcome to the Cute Finance channel. I'm your go-to buddy for US investing and lifestyle tips. Ready? Let's break it all down. First up, you can apply with zero credit history. And there is no annual fee. Hit the thing. In the US, your credit history is like the foundation of your financial life, but it's a classic chicken or egg problem. No credit history? Good luck getting a credit card. No credit card? How do you even build credit? Most big banks, even if their requirements aren't crazy, usually want at least a few months, maybe 6 months of credit history. This is where Discover 8 shines. It's a total standout. Discover is known for being super chill about credit history requirements, especially the Discover 8 card and the Discover 8 student card. These are some of the few cards that open welcome credit newbies, people with no US credit history at all. Tons of international students or folks new to the US pick Discover as their first card. Now, hold up. This doesn't mean you are guaranteed approval. The bank still checks other stuff, like your income if you are a student. Things like scholarships, parental support, or part-time job income can count as income sources. Besides income, they'll look at your US status and other details. But compared to other banks, Discover is like, high the door to building US credit. If you are starting from scratch with no credit, Discover 8 is absolutely a top pick. So, how do you actually apply? It's no rocket science. You just apply online through Discover's official website. You'll need some basic info ready, like your name, date of birth, and address. That's your US address, by the way. You'll also need your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. You might be able to apply without an SSN, but having one makes things very smooth. This is pretty standard for most applications. Next up, your income info. Be honest when filling this out. It's super important for the bank to gauge your ability to pay. You might also need stuff like your passport or visa for identity verification. That's about it. The whole online application usually takes like 10 to 15 minutes. Once you submit, sometimes you'll get approved instantly. Other times it might say under review, which could take a few days or require extra documents. If they ask for more info, just send it over as soon as possible. Overall, as long as your info is completed and you are upfront, the process is pretty smooth. Alright, let's move on to point number 3. The juicy stuff. What makes Discover it so awesome? Cashback. This card has 2 killer cashback features. First, every quarter you get cashback on specific categories. Discover announces the categories ahead of time. Think groceries, stores, gas stations, restaurant, Walmart, Amazon, Target, you name it. You just need to hop onto the website each quarter and activate. It's stupid easy. Literally one click. Then, during that quarter, you'll score up to 5% cashback on purchases in those categories. Quick heads up. The 5% cashback usually has a quarterly cap, typically $1,500 in spending. That means you can earn up to $75 in cashback per quarter. Yeah, that's a limit, but for everyday spending, that's still pretty darn sweet. Second, outside of those special categories, you get a baseline 1% cashback on everything else. So basically, no matter where you shop, you are at least getting 1% back. Now, here's a real banger. In your first year, all your cashback gets doubled. It's called a Cashback Match. At the end of your first year as a card holder, Discover takes all the cashback you have earned, the 5% from categories and the 1% baseline, and matches it as a bonus. For example, say you racked up $300 in cashback from all your spending this year. At the end of the year, Discover hands you another $300. That means your 5% quarterly categories effectively give you 10% cashback, and all other purchases, 2% cashback. This perk is a total win for newbies looking to stack up rewards fast. Alright, moving on. Point 4. What about sign-up bonuses? On top of the regular cashback and that first year doubling, there's often an extra sign-up bonus. These usually come as cashback or statement credits. For instance, you might get something like make one purchase within 3 months of opening your cart and score a $50 statement credit. His bonus is separate from the Cashback Match. It's like a little welcome gift for new users. Nice, right? The best way to grab this bonus is to apply through a referral link. If you apply via friends referral, they might score bonus too. No referral link? No problem. Just check Discover's website for the latest sign-up offers. Pro tip: always double-check the specific bonus terms before applying. Oh, and there's a big one. You can use this card in mainland China. Yup, when you are back home, it works. Discover has a partnership with UnionPay, so you can use it anywhere UnionPay is accepted. It totally outshines Visa, MasterCard, and Amex in terms of acceptance in China. It's hands down the go-to card for swiping when you are back home. One thing to note, though, when using it in China, let the cashier know it's a UnionPay card. Another quick tip: this card has no annual fee. And if it is your first card, don't close it. Your US credit history length depends on your first credit card. Alright, let's wrap this up. The Discover card is perfect as your first US credit card. Has wide rocks. It's super newbie friendly. First off, it's awesome for people with zero credit history. The application bar is pretty low compared to others. Second, the application is all online and crazy convenient. Third, you get that sweet 5% cashback on quarterly categories, plus at least 1% cashback on everything else. And the cherry on top, all your cashback doubles in the first year, so your rewards literally multiply by 2. Oh, and there's usually an extra sign-up bonus to sweeten the deal. Of course, with any credit card, spend smart and pay on time. That's how you make the most of its perks and start building a solid credit history. I hope this episode helps if you are thinking about grabbing your first US credit card. This card is a total superstar, pretty much a must-have for everyone. So many people new to the US with no credit history apply for this as their first card. It's perfect for racking up that 5% quarterly cashback and super handy for using back in China. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or share your referral link. I'm your US investing and lifestyle buddy. If you loved this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next episode. Bye.